Hello friends, welcome to SQA tool. My name is Dipesh. Today we will talk about how to set Chromedriver path via command line option in Windows machine. So there are some steps we have to follow to set Chromedriver path. First of all, we have to check our browser version. So let's open Chrome browser. Help, about Chrome. Here browser version is browser 84. So now my browser version is 84. Accordingly, we have to download the Chromedriver as well. Now we'll go to this website and we'll download the Chromedriver. So now you can see for 83 and above version, the Chromedriver version is 83. So Chrome version is 83 is supported and we are using 84, so it will be also supported. Now we'll download this zip file, unzip the zip file, copy extracted folder to some D drive location. So it is already there on my machine, so I'll just keep it. Just copy this folder to D drive. Now there are two options to set Chromedriver path. First is a script level. It means in each and every script, wherever you are going to initiate the driver, you have to set the path. So this is the way. We'll open a PyCharm. So I have written a simple script in which I did not set any path yet. So let's see what kind of error message it will show when the browser path is not set. When we'll run, so now it is showing that executable need to be in path. It means Chromedriver path is not set. So let's set the path in script level. We'll copy this path. And we'll run from here itself. So now you can see we can execute this script properly without any issue. Now second way is to set Chromedriver path in environment variable. So we can set Chromedriver path in environment variable using setx command, and this will be a global level path set. So whenever you want to execute any number of script, no need to set the path again and again. So let's do it. First we'll check path is in environment variable or not. So there is no path for Chromedriver, you can see. We'll set the path now. Path set successfully. We'll check it again. We'll reopen the command prompt. you can see now the Chromedriver path is set. Now we'll run the test case again. Chromedriver path is set on global level in environment variable and script executed successfully. So these were the two options to set the Chromedriver path. Thank you very much guys. Please like, subscribe the video and share your feedback in comment section.